Hey guys, you'll notice that today's video started a little bit differently. I don't have the beginning that I normally have, and that's because I wanted to use my computer to do screencast to show you some charts and some visuals to help you with the learning. Hopefully next time I'll be able to get back to my little intro song. We'll see how that goes. So today we are going to talk about two things. We are first going to talk about the elements of Cinderella stories again, this time for Cendrillon. Maybe we'll review Cinderella a little bit. Next, we're going to talk about comparing Cendrillon and Cinderella to see kind of how their lives are the same and how their lives are different. So let's go to my online little teacher book. So this is my Elements of Cinderella Stories chart. You'll see that some of these are blank. These are stories that we are going to read, but we just haven't read yet. So we have read Cinderella and we have read Cendrillon. Now, the good characters for Cendrillon are, of course, Cendrillon and Nanin. She has some evil characters in that story. Her stepmother's name is Madame, and her stepsister's name is Vitaline. The magical element of this story is the magic mahogany wand. And the proof of identity is the pink slipper. You'll notice that some things are kind of the same, some things are kind of different, but let's go over what all of these things mean just one more time. So good characters are the characters that are good people. Evil characters are the characters that do very bad things in the story. The magical element is a person or object that has magic. And the proof of identity is how we know that Cinderella or Cendrillon is who they say they are. So the prince knew that it was Cendrillon when she put on the pink slipper. Now, the next thing that I wanted to talk about was comparing Cinderella to Cendrillon. Now, this is called a Venn diagram. If you remember carefully, we actually started using this before we left for spring break. So a Venn diagram is used to compare two things and show how they are different and how they are the same. So let's look at what it has to say about Cinderella. It says Cinderella has a fairy godmother who uses magic wand to help her, and she fits the glass slipper. Now that is only true for Cinderella. Let's look at things that are only true for Cendrillon. She has a godmother Nanin who uses her magic wand to help her, and she fits the pink slipper. Those things are only true for Cendrillon. Now let's look at some things that are true for both of them. So they both have evil stepmothers who are mean to them. They both must do all the cleaning at home. And they both go to a ball where they meet a man and dance with him. They also both marry that man or marry the man. So that is all the information I have for you today. There is no assignment. There is no practice work. This is just stuff for you guys to learn and information for you to take in. That was kind of a lot, so I won't blame you if you have to watch this video 2 times. That's okay, and that's totally up to you guys. So have a great rest of your day. I cannot wait to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.